Hey guys, it's Pokémon TCG. Today we're opening an Ogrepon Tin and a Drampa Tin. Just two random tins I found on the shelf, and I thought it'd be cool. We'll have a little tin battle, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, let's get right into it. It should be 3 packs each. At the end of the video, I want you guys to let me know in the comments which tin wins. Which one had the better pulls? Got this one. We got Temporal Force. We got Surging Sparks. Wow. That's actually nice. Stellar Crown. Okay. It's a nice lineup. I think Surging Sparks might be my favorite one. Got some stickers. Pretty cool. Nothing stickers. Alright. That one. What else we got here? We got Obsidian Flames, 2 Obsidian Flames, and 1 Scarlet Violet base. It's not bad. Obsidian Flames is a good set. Scarlet Violet base is like one of the first, I think that's the first booster box I've ever opened, so that's cool. Oh, I just mixed them quick, but fix that. There we go. Let's be a pack battle, tin battle. Oh, we've got some stickers. Pretty cool. So I think this is like a dragon tin, and the other one's just based on Ogrepon. Alright, we'll start with the Obsidian Flames one. It's the Dragon 10. Alright, come on. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, we got Oddish, Finizen, Herdier, Glimmet, Buffalot, Crabominable, King Gambit, Tadbulb Reverse, Listen Rock Reverse, and Thunderous Regular Hollow. Another Obsidian Flames. So guys, I got some more Destined Rivals I'm going to be opening soon. That's going to be cool. I'm going to be chasing that Muse still, so hopefully we can finally get that. We got Phantom, Vulpix, Froakie, Darumaka, Beartick, Charmeleon, Excadrill, Spoink Reverse. Oh, there we go! A Scizor Illustration Rare. Yo, that thing is sick! Oh, I took it off the screen there for a second. That is nice! Who cares about that? Yo, 2 Obsidian Flames packs. We get an illustration rare. That thing's nice. I don't know the value on it, but and yo, that edge is rough. It's a rough looking edge. I don't know if you can see it there. And it's off centered, so definitely not gradable. Don't know if it's worth it anyway. That's nice. That's a nice card. It's a good start. Alright. It's gonna be a good start for the Dragon 10. Gonna be tough to beat. 3 packs to get an illustration rare is nice. So let's see if there's anything else in here. We got Whizzle, Energy Retrieval, Lechonk, Slowpoke, XP Share, Toedscruel, Cyclizar, Capsakid Reverse, Quake Coco Reverse, and Reveroom Regular Hollow. Alright, so 1 pull from that tin. The Scizor. I kind of saved the Surging Sparks for last. We got Temporal Forces. This is the Ogrepon Tin now. Grubbin, Frostmoth, Noctowl, Croconaw, Bronzong, Ancient Booster Energy Capsule, Iron Treads, Minccino Reverse, Shiftry Reverse. Hey, okay, Explorer's Guidance. We got an ultra rare. These tins haven't been too bad. It's nice to get some pulls. There we go. Keep it up in pull rate. I don't know about the value wise, but that's one pull for the Ogrepon Tin. It's not going to stand up there. Stellar Crown. One more pull. One more pull to win it. Duraludin, Perugly, Tortuga, Meltan, Crispin, Talonflame, Area 0, Underdepths, Ladybug, Reverse, Joltik Reverse, and Dreadnought, regular hollow. Alright, come on. Pikachu? Pikachu? Come on. Give me something, Surgeon Sparks. Alright, we got Stunfisk, Shellos, Dedenne, Mankey, Goldango, Magnezone, Tactical Machine, Tauros, Reverse, Armorogue, Reverse, Dialga, regular hollow. Didn't get the Pikachu. Alright, so out of 6 packs we got 2 pulls. That's not too bad. I would say, what was this? This is the Dragon Tin. I think the Dragon Tin wins. You get the illustration rare, the Scizor, which is actually really nice looking. I like that card a lot. Then you get the ultra rare out of the Ogrepon Tin, the Explorer's Guidance. Not a bad card, but I think the illustration rare has got to take the win. Hit the like and subscribe button down below, guys, and leave some comments on which tin you think won. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.